How to clear YouTube history in 2023. So click on the subscribe button and bell notification on so you will be updated for more videos like this one. So a very quick tutorial on how to hide your taskbar. So what we would do is go to the search button here on your taskbar and type in taskbar settings. So you can see we will be opening up taskbar settings. So you can lock your taskbar here, but we are going to look for the option automatically hide taskbar in desktop mode. So if you turn that on, the taskbar will be hidden. But if you move your cursor right here on the bottom, your taskbar will be shown. So that's it, guys. You can see that the taskbar is hidden. So I hope this video helped, and see you on the next video.